Hi, Rich Nass here, and believe it or not, we're in the Anaren booth at Embedded World. I'm here with Mark Grazier. You guys are showing some pretty interesting products here, such as this dinosaur. What's going on here?
Yeah, so we're using Dino the dinosaur here at Embedded World to really show off our Anaren module and specifically our graphical user interface. Anaren is typically a module manufacturer. We work in space and defense, but we're working with a lot of companies that are doing Bluetooth Low Energy. What we're finding as we talk to embedded designers they're very excited about working on their side of the world, which is code development in an embedded device. But what we're developing here as well is all the software for the mobile device as well. So we're bridging essentially two worlds. And what we do by using our element library here, which I can show you, this is a graphical user interface. The intent here is to have an element or a tablet of known feature sets. So for example, we have a light switch button, we have a light button, we have a sensor or motion control sensor tied into a button here. It's very intuitive. You just use a drag and drop environment where you put this on our tablet. You notionally link these together, the button here with an expression that moves a slider. So in this particular case, if we can come over here, on the mobile side, we're actually creating that slider device, creating a position for it. We're creating the red, green, and blue switches for that, as well as setting the color and cycle, and as well as toggling that off. So the idea here is to, within about 6 minutes, if you're familiar with this, or about an hour of development time, get very comfortable in using the software. We've got a very exciting bunch of hackathons we've had in the past year, and we're really going after not only the maker community, but also folks that are very familiar with C+ language. We've created the code in code view, so each one of the elements here has the software around it. Again, once you get comfortable with some of the examples, and we have them available on our site, you can literally create these projects in about 6 minutes. So if you're a marketing person, you're thinking about bringing this concept into your product manager, you can do a very quick prototyping tool, so it's less about doing PowerPoint presentations and actually working with the code.
So while it may look pretty complex by the diagram behind you, it's actually quite simple in a drag and drop format.
That's correct, that's right. And with Dino here, as we can show you, this is one of our examples that we have here. We're actually building the project on the device as we speak. And we've actually had people come here, use our development board that we connect into the developer environment, and they've actually built their project right here at the show. So it's pretty interesting way to look at the market.
That's fantastic. So where would somebody go to get more information?
So for more information, we can go to atmosphere.anaren.com. If they're here at the show, they can come by and we can give them the QR code for this. And we'll be at the next series of shows back in the States with Sensors Expo.
Very good. And at Embedded TechCon in Austin.
Yes.
See you there.
Great, thank you.